What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario. And so far,
Hello.
SMB, 1 and 2
Pakinggan sir.
ngayon ng SMB. Wild ba para sabihin na may problema sa SMB ngayon?
Matagal nang may problema ang SMB.
Matagal may problema.
Matagal nang may problema ang SMB. And it's that they run no offense.
Hmm.
They run zero offense, man. It is get the ball to Junmar. Junmar, please get double teamed and find the shooter. Or it's get the ball to CJ Perez. CJ drive and please get the ball to an open player. They run no other offense, and it is showing now. I don't know. So far, they don't look great. Quincy Miller, not to
Looks
be,
off.
pero,
Pati siya, parang
yeah,
kanya
he's a little off.
ano na eh,
Parang hindi
ano
siya
yun yung
import.
jersey niya. Sinira yung jersey sa bench, ano yun, hindi na siya
Yeah,
babalik eh.
parang hindi siya import eh. I don't know if he's being misused. I wouldn't be surprised if he's being misused, not gonna lie.
I won't be surprised
Um,
also.
Look at this, man.
Ah,
Miller has 12 points. Like, okay, this is the reality. I'll be as upfront as I can be about it. There's something
ah.
wrong with the coaching of SMB right now. Many would agree with me when I say that there's something wrong with the SMB coach right now. It's not fluid. There's no fluidity at all to their game. Sobrang mababasa mo yung SMB right now. Also, obviously, you did just get Wami and Andreas Kahilig, so they're probably still adapting themselves to the system. Pero wala, it doesn't really look that clean eh. It doesn't look clean at all talaga. Shout out to Ross because Ross was able to, and admittedly, ito sabihin ko, they should be 0-3. They should be 0-3. They should have
Okay.
lost that game to Phoenix.
Oo.
They were
Nahabol
losing
lang nila yun,
by,
di ba? They were losing. Nahabol nila
yeah,
yun eh.
they were losing by like 13 or 14.
Oo.
They should have lost that game to Phoenix. And then in their game against NLEX, which they should have won, they lost because Robert Bolick turned into Robert Bolick
Steph
of, of,
Curry.
of days
Nasakpian ni
past.
Steph Curry.
Yeah, yeah. Robert Bolick was like, oh yeah, it's SMB, let me try. Alam niyo mga ganun.
Dagdag ko rin Mario, no?
Robert Bolick loved
NLEX
them.
historically keeps up with SMB in the past 2 seasons.
Siyempre,
Lagi
love
silang
ni Bolick yun eh.
laban sila sa SMB.
Yeah. Bro, love ni Bolick yung SMB, promise. Like,
Di ko
he
nga alam bakit
loves
eh.
going against. Hindi ko rin alam sa kanya. Baka gusto niya, ano,
Semerad
joke lang.
din. Semerad makes all his threes. Kapag SMB.
Yeah. And like, again, man, something's wrong. Something's wrong with the SMB right now. Everybody's known it for a while. Even last conference, we said it now. Oh, we expect a coaching change. We expect a something change. And their change was Wami Chongson, which, although people will say that it was the best, it was a great trade for SMB. Right now, it hasn't really panned out. Wami does look good, admittedly. He still looks decent naman. Pero wala, it's not translating into wins right now. You should be 0-3 kung hindi lang kayo naghabol against Phoenix.
Tama. And yun nga, no, like the Quincy Miller issue plays like a local. I mean, kung nakita yung average niya guys, parang 16 and 11, 17 and 11.
Yeah,
Parang ganun eh. It's not, and
but is that a Quincy Miller thing?
no,
Or
no,
is
no, no.
that them
25
not
plus
treating him
point scorer.
properly?
Feel ko,
Yeah,
feel ko
kahit
it's,
mamaw yan.
yun nga, feel ko it's SMB mishandling Quincy Miller pagdating sa opensa nila. Because Quincy Miller is
Yeah,
a perimeter threat, especially with Converge. Kaya ganito yung expectation namin kay
yeah.
Quincy Miller. Kasi nakita natin yung Quincy Miller on steroids nung Alden Ayo yung coach niya.
Not literally on steroids, by the way, guys.
Ay, yeah, yeah,
Baka
sorry. So, oh, para ano, so expression lang yun, guys.
yeah,
Expression yun.
yeah,
Hindi pwede maglaro
yeah.
with steroids sa PBA or any professional league.
Baka ano
Disclaimer
lang,
lang.
baka
Disclaimer lang.
isipin nyo na sinasabi na may nag-steroid siya. Yeah,
Quincy
we
Miller na
know what Quincy Miller can do.
Ayo ay
Even
led
Quincy
by
Miller
Ayo.
knows what Quincy Miller can do. I think that's why there is some frustration on his end. Kasi alam niya kung gaano siya kagaling eh. Shooter
Mm.
yan, bro. Pero the lack of touches, I think, um, are are a major factor to it din eh. Kaya medyo mahirap for him. Something has to change for SMB. This is gonna be a really, really fast podcast episode. Maybe like a short or whatever. Pero
Yeah.
something needs to change for SMB really quick. Kasi Junmar Fajardo looks a bit frustrated. I'm not gonna lie. I've never seen him this frustrated
Ngayon
about
ko
something in a
nakita
while.
na ganito kakaburat.
He, he was like, the fuck? And I've never seen Junmar like genuinely ticked off at something. He hasn't been looking great. He hasn't looked happy so far this conference. obviously SMB is still a good team. They still have the pieces, pero may mali. May
Hindi sila
something na
mag-champion ng
mali
ganito.
sa system.
Hindi sila mag-champion ng ganito.
Yeah. They will not win the championship if they keep this up. Right now, the team that looks great, and I genuinely mean this, is Ross with their import. They look really good.
Si
I'm not
Dion
gonna
Thompson,
over
mas ano solid si Dion,
yeah,
no? May pagkaano
I
siya,
like it.
first option vibes. Unlike nung si
Yeah,
Aaron Fuller na he's a great role player.
yeah,
'Di ba?
yeah. But with Dion Thompson, like he knows when he has to take over, he knows when he has to get rebounds, all that. They're 2-1, no? Tama ba? They are 2-1 right now, and they lost
Mm-mm.
that first game only because they had no import. I believe if Rainer Shine had an import against Meralco, they could have won that game.
Yeah, they could have
Even if
won.
Meralco didn't have Akira, Akira Mitchell, is that his name anyway?
Akil Mitchell, Akil.
Akil. There
Oo.
it is. Yeah. So yeah, that's currently how I currently view SMB right now. Something needs to change talaga. You have the pieces. I think you do. I think. Sobrang I think yun ah. But something needs to come out from it talaga. Sinasabi niyo yung Junmar eh.
Last thoughts,
Admittedly.
Mario, like sa SMB, anong sa tingin mo dun sa trade? Like the Terence Romeo, Vic Manuel. Like, we'll end it with that one.
Hey guys, may asim si Vic, bro.
May Asim Pacific, no?
That's what
May
may
Asim
asim
pa!
Pacific, guys. Yeah. Yun yung masabi ko. Uh, it's so, admittedly, it has been one of my favorite things to watch. Is Vic Manuel play well for Terra Firma. It has given me so much joy to see Vic Manuel play well. Kasi deserve niya yan, bro. Alam ng mga tao yan. Deserve ni Vic Manuel ng minutes. I saw him post something.
He's
Or his wife
enjoying.
post something.
Nag-enjoy siya. Nag-enjoy siya sa
Nag-enjoy na siya
Terraferma.
mag-basketball ulit, bro.
Oo.
Nag-enjoy na siya ulit mag-basketball. He's given the minutes. He knows naman eh. Alam naman
Kaya
niyang
niya pa.
tumatanda siya. And
Pero
alam
kaya
naman
niya pa
niyang
eh.
injury prone siya. Pero when he's on the court, kaya niya. And yung masaya kay Vic, I hope they win something this season. That's what I was hoping for. Because I don't know if you guys know this, but in the NFL, may comeback player of the year kasi.
Sa NFL may
Um,
ganon. May comeback player of the year.
yeah, alam ko ah. Double check ko ba? So baka masunog ako ng mga
NFL fans.
comeback player.
Sa Pilipinas.
Yeah. Uy, marami. Well, baka ako. Ay, there are may comeback player of the year sa NFL, guys. I wish that was something the PBA could institute. Kasi there are players talaga who deserve to be the comeback player of the year. I think this year it could be Vic Manuel, considering how well he's been playing. May ibang players who in the past were kind of like discarded and now are playing well. Yung mga ganun. Like Arvin Tolentino, well, MIP yun. Anyway, so yeah, yung mga ganun, yung mga
That
comeback
might
player
be
of the year,
it.
yung mga,
That
yeah,
might be it.
yeah. But anyway, it's a nice little award. But yeah, that's how I wanna end this from my end. Is I'm really happy for Vic Manuel on Terra Firma. That's how I'm gonna close that up. May asim pa rin si Kuya eh. Shout out Vic
At
Manuel. Vic
ano,
Manuel.
sorry Andreas Kahilig for the disrespect, no? We didn't know na may ano, mas may playing time ka more than Jerome Teng. Di ba?
Oo nga eh, nabigla rin ako.
Mas may playing time
Yeah,
si Andreas Kahilig. And nakita natin na he's really a 3 and D siya ginagamit. At least he's being
yeah.
used
Deserve
properly.
naman eh.
Deserve
Yeah,
naman. At
deserve
least siya
naman.
nagagamit ng maigi. Pero yung superstars,
Yeah.
ewan ko lang.
Yeah,
Diba?
something's happening, man. Something's happening, man. It's a here's the thing. It's a coaching thing talaga for me. But
Same,
I've
I
been saying up
agree.
until
It's a
this time.
unfortunately.
Yeah. Yeah. That's how I'm gonna close that, man. Go Vic.
Ah,
Go
ako
go
naman
Vic.
sasabihin ko lang na ano, and this with a positive note na si Coach George Gallant, one of the best golf players daw sa at least dun sa mga naglalaro sa tournaments. And they asked me, Nico, kilala mo ba si Coach George Gallant? So, he's a great golfer, ha? Yung sabi sa akin ng
Okay.
mga titos
Okay.
na kilala ko who play golf. And they're
Okay.
like, George, wala lang. Sasabi ko lang, he's a great golf player.
Ano ba yan?
So, anyway, that one. Thank you so much, guys, for listening. Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Follow 5 Star Rating on Spotify. Peace.